The 2014 Azera, the perfect combination of comfort and convenience. The Hyundai Azera is roomy, refined, and loaded with standard features. The Azera's quiet confidence proves that performance is another form of luxury and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, auto express down window, HomeLink garage door opener, adjustable headrests, power steering. Come take a test drive today.